At times you may need to create your own masters related to the tables that you are creating. For example, audit category can be a master for audits table. You may want to divide your audits in different categories, like general, system, financial audits. For this purpose, master table for audit category is required. To create a master table, go to Audits table and click Recreate. Click on the Masters icon at the right-hand top of the form builder. It will open a new modal window. Enter the name of the master table in singular form and add the password and then click Submit. This will create a masters table where you can add the data. Once you create the master table, you must link that table with the existing form field in a table. In this example, audit categories must be linked with audit category field in audits form. To do this, go to Audit Form Recreate and click on the gear icon against the audit category field. In the model window, select Audit Category Table under Link to drop-down, and click Submit. This will link your newly created master with the audit's audit category field. To add the data, go to Masters table from the Tables page by clicking on Masters and then click on Add. It will open an add form. Add the masters. Go to Audit's Add section and you will see the added masters data under Audit category.